Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. 9th class students, mathematics, exercise number 5.1. Today we are going to start unit number 5. Exercise number 5.1, question number 1. Unit number 5 is about factorization. What is factorization? In this unit we have to make factors. So let's do question number 1. 2abc minus 4abx plus 2abd. So we have to take its common factors. How to take its common factors? Let's see. First of all, question is that 2abc minus 4abx plus 2abd. We have to check that what is common in three terms. 2 is common. Common means it should be present in all the terms. Means 2 is present here. 2 is also present here because 2 is divisible by 4. 2 is also present here. Let's see what's other value is present in all, means what is common. A is present in first, A is present in second, and A is present in third. Next, B is present in first, B is present in second, and B in third. Means 2 is common, 2 here common, 2 here common, B, A, B, A, B. These 2 A, B are common in these three values. So we will take them common now. So 2AB is we are taking common now. We will check that what is the remaining values inside. Suppose 2AB we have taken common. Now what is left here? C is left here. 2 is divisible by 4. So 2 we have taken common. What is left inside? 2. A we have taken already. B taken common. So X is with it. And 2AB taken common plus D is now. This is common value, and what are the remaining values we have written inside the bracket. This is our question of factorization, means we have taken factors and common factors of this question. It's very easy. There are 6 parts of this questions. Question number 1 I have done for you. Second, third, 4, 5 you can do by yourself with the same method by taking common. If you need to open the brackets, you can open the brackets. Now move towards part 6 parts I'll do for you. That is 2xy cube into x plus 5 plus 8 xy square into x square plus 5. Okay students, here we will check that what is common. Here it should be x square because x square. So we have to check that in both factors. This is the one term and this is the second term. In both terms, what is common? As you can see inside the brackets, x square plus 5 and x square plus 5 is common in both. We have taken common x square plus 5. And what else is common? 2 is divisible by 8. Yes, 2 is common, x is common, and y cube here, y square here. So what we should take common? We should take common the minimum power, not maximum, because that is cube value and that is power 2, that is square. So we will take 2 common. Y2 means y square we will take common, and y cube will be remain this, because 2 we will take common and 1 will be left over there. So 2 is common here, x is common, and y square, this is common. So what is left inside? The left value is, because we have taken 2xy x square plus y 5, this one also we have taken, plus 4 x taken, y square taken, this one taken. So these are the factors, these are the two factors of this whole term, x square plus 5 into y plus 4. These are two factors basically, first and second. 2xy square into x square plus 5 into y plus 4. It's very easy, students. You can do this all question number 1 by taking common. This is the factorization, simple factorization, and you will do all questions on your register, solve all questions. Now move towards question number 2. Okay students, question number 2, this is also about factorization. 5 values are given here, 5ax minus 3ay minus 5bx plus 3by. Let's see, we have to take common as well in this question. ay minus 5bx plus 3by. Students, as you know, you can see that there are no common factors common in all, as here is a, here b, but here is y, here is x. It's b here, but y and x, means one term you can take common, otherwise no. So what to do in this question? We will combine a few values where we will see that there are two factors, two values we can take common, 5ax and minus 5bx. Minus 3ay plus 3by, because in these both, why we have make them combined? Actually we have made them combined because 5 is common in both, 3 is common in both, y is common in both, and x is common in both. We will take common now 5x, and inside a, because 5x we have taken common, a minus b will be remaining value, minus negative sign is taken common, and 3y we have taken. So inside the bracket what is left? A, because negative sign we have taken common, so inside all signs will be changed, you know, minus b. Now you can see that there are two terms, students. Two terms, what is common? A minus b bracket value is common, because in factorization, if after taking common bracket values, both bracket values are same, then you can say that you can be very confident, yes, factorization is 100% correct. So in both brackets the values are same, so your question is 100% correct. So now you will take common again, a minus b is taken common, and what is the remaining value inside? Remaining value will be 5x minus 3y, because you have taken common 5x, a minus b, and 5x minus 3y will be left over there. That is the first part of question number 2. Okay student, question number 2 part 4 I'll solve for you, and part 2 and 3 you will do by yourself. These are with the same method. Here you can see that nothing is common. If we are observing, so nothing is common, but because it is given to factorize, might be there will be common. We have to multiply inside the bracket, means we have to open the brackets first, then let's see what is common or not. X square z minus y square z plus y square x minus z square x. Students, now we will check that is there any value which will be cancelled to each other. No, nothing is cancelled to each other, so we will combine those values which are common, very common to each other. firstly x square z and minus x z square, then y square z plus x y square. X square z and minus z square x we have combined, and y square z plus xy square we have combined. Now what is common here? Here is common xz. Inside value is, because x we have taken common, x minus z is here, minus y square is taken common, and there is what is left here. Here will be z, because negative sign is taken common, so here will be negative x. Now students, you have to make same in both brackets, because already I have informed you over there in question number 2 part 1 that if your bracket values are same, then you can say that yeah, question is 100% correct. So brackets values are same but signs are different, so you have to make them equal. We have to make it equal, because there z is positive, here z is negative, here x is negative, here x is positive, so we have to make them equal by taking negative sign common. If you will take negative sign common out, so we can say that that is minus z plus x, and that negative sign will be multiplied with the outside sign, it will outer sign, that will be positive now. And now we can write it again in this form, x minus z plus y square into x minus z. Now bracket values are same, we will take common bracket values now, x minus z, and what are the remaining values, xz plus y square. Students, this is your part 4 answer. Factorization first part and 4 part I have done for you. Second and third you will do. You will solve on your registers and practice it frequently. If you will get this question tough, no, it's not difficult. There are two methods to solve. Means I have made them combine these two. You can also make combine x square z and x y square. These two taken combine you can take, and these two will be left. So you can take common from these two values and these two values. Answer will be same. So there are two methods to solve this question. You can uh, uh, apply any method, whatever you will find an easy method. So Allah Hafiz.